In today's world, with all our technologies with advanced systems to protect America from harm, why can't we save our babies and young children from harm and even death in vehicles? Well, at BabySafe, we have been working on a product for nearly 2 years. This device will send an alert to your keychain remote when you walk away within 10 feet from your vehicle. In the event you are on the run and put your keys deep into your pocket, handbag, or purse, our product will send you a message to your cell phone to let you know that there's a baby in trouble. Just think, if every child care van or school bus would be equipped with our BabySafe product, we would never hear about these tragedies again. Our technology is advancing every day from high-tech cell phones, GPS, iPads, and the computer world. Now there is BabySafe to save our children. Save a child today, because our children are our tomorrow's future. Use BabySafe products because we care about our children and their future. For more information on our product, please contact BabySafe 1-888-633-7294.